Hi friends, Right Careers welcomes you to the third episode of 50 GOAT Careers for the Future. Before we get on to this topic, the customary thing, in case you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. And in case you haven't, do click on the subscription and bell buttons for instant notifications of career and parenting related videos on a regular basis. Moving on to this week's topic, the very most important topic I would say, because this is one career that's been there for quite some time and it's going to be there for a long time to come, and it's more related to analysis and finance, combination of finance and analysis, I would say. Yes, you guessed it right, it's about investment banking. So straight away, what is investment banking, or who is an investment banker? An investment banker is someone who bridges the gap, or who bridges between the company which wants to or which wishes to raise funds for its growth and expansion, and the financial institution or any other investor who intends to invest on such companies. So they act as a bridge between two people: one, the organization which wants to raise funds, raise money, and on other hand, with people who are willing to invest. It could be banks, it need not be banks also. So in short, investment bankers are deal makers. They facilitate the deal between the company and the investors. How do they do? They do it in different forms. Obviously, the easiest or the most popular form that we all know is in the form of an IPO, right? Initial public offering, where they advise the companies to raise the funds through IPOs. They also, advise the companies to raise the funds through equity financing, or say mergers and acquisition. So in all these mergers and acquisitions, the investment bankers play a very important role to an organization. All these things are to raise the funds for the growth or whatever reasons for a company. So they also act advise the companies on what kind of securities that they can issue to the public or to their investors, so like the stocks or bonds or debentures. And not only that, how to issue and when to issue and what price to issue these stocks and debentures to the stakeholders is something which the investment bankers does to an organization. So precisely this is what they do. Now, how do you become an investment banker? A strong formal education and a very strong networking skill is essential to make a successful career in investment banking. A formal education, companies ideally look at someone from a strong finance background. It could be a degree in economics, it could be a degree in business management, or even it could be a degree in commerce. But then ideally, even if you're not specializing something in commerce or economics, ideally if you have a strong funda with an MBA finance, people generally recruit, or people generally with that attitude can still be recruited, even though you come from a science background or non-finance background. So ideally, after your MBA finance, you start yourself as a junior analyst or a junior banker in an organization, and then grow up the corporate ladder, and then become a senior vice president level or something like that. In case you wish to add some professional touch to the qualification academia, you can also pursue CFA, which is Chartered Financial Analyst, which will certainly make a strong case for you to become a investment banker. Now, how much they earn as such an investment banker? A junior banker starts somewhere between 4 to 6 lakhs in India, and then they can grow up to the ladder of 35 lakhs when you become a senior vice president or something like that. This is as of today's job market, and then it's going to thrive for a long time to come, as I said. In case you wish to know more about what prospects that you have for as an investment banker, do ping us. We have all the credentials left beneath the video. And until next week, with an altogether different GOAT career, see you all. Have a safe week. Thank you.